Hi guys. Hello, Mr. T. Hi, how are you?
Hello, my bro. How's it going, bro? I'm great.
Everything is great.
Okay.
Okay. What session is this today?
Welcome to
Session
session third 40.
40. Session 40. 40 sessions with you guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the viewers, for all of your comments and everything. Please comment for us. Please comment and like the videos. It really helps the channel and it really gives us a lot of love and support. So today we want to continue the topic of family. Last session we learned about this family here, Waldes family and Brown family and Rivera family. We learned about some new words like mother, daughter, father, brother, stuff like that. Now here we have the names of people. We have Carlos Rivera. So who's Carlos Rivera?
Is
Question. He's Erica's father, or he's the father, right?
yeah.
Number two. Who's Linda Rivera?
She's mother.
Yes, mother. Let's go and check. Linda Rivera. Yes. Erica's mother. That's right. Number three. Who's David Rivera?
He is brother.
Brother. Let's check. Yes. Erica's brother. Okay. Jack Waldes.
He is grandpa.
Jack Valdez, yes, he's a grandpa. Erica's grandpa. Angela Valdez,
She is grandma.
grandma, Erica's grandma. Jessica Brown,
Aunt.
yes, aunt, Erica's aunt. Emily Brown,
She's cousin.
yes, it's her cousin. And Brian Brown,
He is uncle.
uncle,
Uncle.
yes, uncle, that's right. Erica's uncle, very good. Let's move on to the next part. In the next part, we want to talk about some new numbers from 10 to 101. So these are the new numbers that we have. Let's listen to the numbers and practice the pronunciations. Let's go ahead and listen.
6. 1. Building vocabulary. C. Listen and say the numbers. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 101.
I want to write down a number on the board and you please tell me what number do you see. Ready?
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
go.
What's this number?
69.
Yes, 69. Okay. What is
It's a
this?
position. 23.
Yeah, you're right. Okay. What's this number?
23.
23. Okay.
71.
Yes.
126.
Excellent. 126. And this one?
82.
82. That is correct. Well, now in the next part, we want to talk about our friends or family members. Tell the name of that friend. Maybe you can use a fake name if you want. And also tell the age of that person, how old they are. For example, my mother's name is Sandra. She's 55. Okay. Let me tell you about my family. For example, my younger brother's name is Josh. He's a student and he's 15 years old.
Okay, my mother's name is Jessica Handelson. She's 61 years old. It's correct?
61. Yeah, okay. Well, do you have a grandfather?
No, he's dead.
He's dead. Okay. I have a cousin. He lives in America, and his name is his name is Michael. Yeah, his name is Michael, and he's 42 years old.
I have a two brother. One of them 36 years old. Another one 41 years old.
That's nice. Well, thank you very much. So let's finish the clip, but before we do, let's ask the viewers a question. I want you to think about your family members and tell us about your family member's name and age. What's their name and how old are they? Please comment your answer in the comment section and we'll check it later. So don't forget your family member, what's their name, and also how old are they. For example, my brother's name is Josh. He's 15 years old and he's a student. Please comment for us and thank you very much for watching. Thanks.